Welcome to Day Tutorials. This video is going to be all about the location pseudo-classes. So don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Location pseudo-classes relate to all links inside area or anchor elements. On our page we have two links, one to the FIFA official website and the other to YouTube. Now to VS Code. We're going to start with the link to the class, which applies styles to all links that haven't been visited. Start with the colon and link. We're gonna change the color, so color, say red. Now back to the browser, and to check this we're gonna visit the FIFA official website. Let's go back to our page, and here the styling have changed. Now we're gonna do a different thing here. We're going to replace link with visited. Let's go back to the browser, and here the styling just apply to the website that we have visited. Back to VS Code, and here we have another pseudo class which is anyLink, which styles anyLink regardless of their state. Now let's change the color here. Let's make it green. Now let's add another property which is text decoration line. Let's put none, so we can get rid of the line under the text. Now let's go back to the browser. And here the sign applied to both links regardless of their state. Now let's move on to the target pseudo class. Target pseudo class represents an element referred to by a link. Now let's see what that means. On our page we have 14 random paragraphs, and at the top we have a link to paragraph 9. Now let's try it, and here is our paragraph 9. Now let's move to VS Code, and here we're gonna use the target pseudo class. Let's change the background to yellow. Let's change the font size too. Let's make it 30 pixels. Now let's go back to the browser. And here you can see that paragraph 9 right here is not styled. Now let's click on the paragraph 9 right here, and it's styled. So the target pseudo class applies styles only when you are in position led to by the link. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.